Hello and welcome to Keto Eats, your source for delicious keto recipes. So today I've got a really good pizza recipe for you. Who doesn't crave pizza when they're on the keto diet? This recipe produces a really delicious pizza with only about 2 net carbs per slice. It's very easy to make and takes very little time aside from the time spent inside the oven. So let's get started. You're going to take some cream cheese, softened, some Italian cheese blend from your supermarket, some Parmesan cheese, a little bit of Italian spice blend, and a little bit of garlic powder. Then you're going to add 4 eggs. Then you mix all those ingredients up in a bowl. Until it looks a little bit something like this. Then you're going to add some ground pork rinds. This is going to add flavor to the pizza and give it a nice crispy texture. Once you're done with that, you're going to take a baking tray and put some parchment paper on it. Take your dough mixture, put it on the parchment paper, and then cover it with some plastic wrap. I find this reduces any mess. Press out the dough into whatever shape you want. You could go with the traditional circle, you could go with a square, whatever kind of pizza you want. Then you're going to take that dough and put it into a 425 degree oven. Cook it for about 20 minutes. When 20 minutes is up, pull the dough out of the oven and rest it on the counter for 10 minutes. Then we're going to add our other pizza ingredients. Take some Rao's homemade sensitive marinara sauce. This stuff is really good. Only 3 net carbs per half cup. Tastes good right out of the jar, but if you're not satisfied with that, you can cook up a nice sauce if you want. Then you're going to add some sliced fresh mozzarella cheese, and some basil. Finish it off with some freshly ground black pepper and some shredded Parmigiano Reggiano cheese. Once you're done dressing the pizza, you're going to pop it in the oven for another 15 minutes, 425. After about 15 minutes, or once your cheese is bubbling, pull that pizza out of the oven, let it cool for a little bit, and then slice it up and serve. And there you have it. Delicious keto pizza, about as crispy as you're gonna get on the keto diet. For exact ingredient amounts And to check out more delicious keto recipes, click the link below. Thank you for visiting my channel, and enjoy.